The focused energy of the laser melts the thick steel sheets instantly, allowing us to cut these complex frame sections with incredible precision. Here at Next Gen Vault Manufacturing, these robotic arms are precisely welding the carriage frames you see. The molten beads glow brightly.
The carriage is now fully engaged on the track. The data from these sensors will help us refine the design for optimal airflow and efficiency.
The cutting process, the cutting trunk, generates these intense sparks, which reflect beautifully on the coil. Note the stamp serial number here. To achieve the highest degree of efficiency in terms of cost and speed, it is critical that we streamline the entire process.
We're lifting these coils now, making sure they're balanced. Now for the precise part, sliding them into the rack nice and slow. See how the forks clear the bottom?
As you can see, the forklift operator is carefully lowering a large metal coil onto a wooden pallet.
As you can see, the robotic arm smoothly lifts the precision components and precisely lowers the tray onto the focused energy of the laser melts the thick steel sheets instantly, allowing us to cut these complex frame sections with incredible precision. As you can see, I'm running my gloved hand along the seam to check the quality of the weld joint. We do this to ensure precision in every Next Gen Vault product. This is where the raw aluminum is formed. The presses cycle rapidly, ensuring consistent quality before the panels move to the next stage. We start by using the industrial shears to slice the insulation sheet. Then, carefully fold along the pre-scored line. The robotic arms move in perfect choreography, applying a fine mist of paint to the car chassis as the carriages slowly transport them through the automated system.
We insert the color-coded wires directly into the terminal block. As they snap securely into place, the green LEDs illuminate.
As you can see, our technicians utilize specialized torque wrenches to secure the final bolts, a critical step in ensuring the These sensors, as you can see in this macro view, utilize pressurized air to detect minute variations in the carriage's movement along the assembly line.
The diagnostics are clearing now. Look at Sector 4.
Yes, all parameters are nominal.
Final check complete.
This dashboard allows us to monitor the railway signals across the network. The green indicators confirm clear routes use, while the
We are currently traveling at peak velocity. The seamless transition you see here is thanks to the dynamic stabilization system developed by NextGen Vault.
By rotating this holographic dial, we initiate the system analysis. As you can see, the grid is now optimized.
This phase involves the seamless integration of the outer shell. Our robotic assembly ensures every panel
The heavy-duty wrench slowly rotates the galvanized bolt. The high friction generates these intense sparks.